All right, so it's the end of day 4 and we are in a bay just around the corner from Linapacan, and we went Laka Laka earlier today and did some Laka Laka. We went to Laka Laka, so scrap that. Laka Laka, did some amazing snorkeling. Just an incredible, beautiful reef. And it's sunset time. And we're having a game of cards on the boat. And some peanuts and things, and a couple of gin and tonics. And then we're in this beautiful little bay. I have no idea what the bay is called. Okay, another beautiful bay. Not as beautiful as last night, but you know, still gorgeous. And the island we went to is over here in Laka Laka. Just incredible snorkeling, and the corals were just amazing. And what was also incredibly stunning was that the current was actually quite strong, and about halfway down the beach the current went one way, and on the other half of the beach the current went the other way. So we got dropped off in the middle, and then we just went with the current across the top of the corals, and the boat picked us up at the other end. And just absolutely incredible corals out here, like I've never seen. I've heard that near Linapacan the corals are brilliant, but I was stunned by what I saw today. And we're going to go in the morning and check out a bit more. We'll be having dinner fairly soon. But this has been an incredible journey so far, and thoroughly enjoying it, and I hope one day you can come and join us on a trip similar to this. That's the goal. That's the whole objective of this website, by the way, is to just share with you what we share, what we enjoy, so that you can come and enjoy it with us and just have an incredible, spectacular memory that replaces all your worries and all your woes and all your troubles, and just come out here for a little while and forget it. And actually, one of the things I've really enjoyed about this trip is that I've had very little signal, so I can't connect with my normal routine, my normal jobs, my normal Facebook, my normal stuff, and I'm just disconnected from it all. And it's really nice to just get away from it all. So, a beautiful day in a beautiful place with beautiful people, and I hope the call of Tim Bennett and Jane Bennett beckons you to join us on a trip similar to this, because it really is a trip of a lifetime. I've done lots of trips, but this is, for me, one of the best trips I've ever done in my whole life. So with that, I will bid you farewell for tonight, and tomorrow morning we'll be back on track for another adventure on day 5. I have absolutely no idea where we're going yet. We just sort of wake up and decide, let's go to this island, and we will see you at the crack of dawn, and we'll have another amazing day with you tomorrow. So see you then. Bye bye now.